Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a fraction as a percentage. So the first one we've got here is 3 over 5, and then we've got part B, which is 3 over 20, part C 4 over 7, and then a decimal as 0.63. Now to change a fraction or a decimal to a percentage, you must multiply it by 100. So basically we've got 3 over 5, we multiply that by 100. We normally put it over 100 over 1. And then if we can do some cancelling, we can do. So 5's go into 5 one time and then into 100 20 times. 3 times 20 is 60. 1 times 1 is 1. 60 divided by 1 is 60%. 3 over 20 times 100 over 1. Again, 20 goes into 20 once and into 100 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 1 times 1 is 1. 15 divided by 1 is going to make 15%. 4 over 7 times 100 is going to, there's nothing really cancels here, so we're going to do 4 times 100, which is 400, 7 times 1, which is 7. So either now we do like some sort of short division, or we take our calculator, and if we're going to use our calculator, we must make sure we use the fraction button, and then press the S to D to change it to a decimal. So that becomes 57.142. If we round to 3 significant figures, that 4 has no effect on the 1, so we get 57.1% to 3 significant figures. And finally, 0.63. Well, for a decimal, just straight away you times it by 100, and that means you move the decimal point 2 times that way, so you're just going to get a straightforward answer of 63%. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to write fractions and or decimals as a percentage. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.